guys, so funny enough, it turns out that dogs, yeah, dogs. Here, let me sit them up. It's kind of tired, but here you go. Sit up. We have company. Whoop. By the way, happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys. But yeah, here's my little dog buddy. I got him for Valentine's this year. Yeah. And giant fluffy. Giant fluffy stuffed animal dogs have lives too. And I set up my camera and I saw this. It's crazy. Yeah, that was actually really, really fast. So let me put that a bit slower for you guys. Even slower. Oh yeah, I hope from this you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and yeah. Hope from this video you learned that our stuffed animals are people too.